We're working on a number of projects, some of which obviously are confidential. We're working with clients who are actually starting drilling this year. So we've got a couple of clients who will be picking up rigs in the next few months. We're also working outside of our normal area of expertise. We're actually organizing a conference in Ukraine with Geothermal Ukraine this year, and our training manager has done a translation of the Baseload Capital book, children's book on geothermal energy into Ukrainian, and we are financing that book to be published as part of the conference. And Tony's also working on a number of projects as well.
So on the teaching side, we have lined up 6 or 7 different classes this year around the world, from Hawaii, New Zealand, Taiwan, UK, USA, Amsterdam. So we're teaching is at least every other month. 2 big projects helping 2 geothermal operators to start their drilling process, helping them through the planning and development phase. And then me on my separately, I have a contract with the Clean Air Task Force, and we're writing the technology gap assessment for super hot rock drilling.
And just to continue on our other projects with the International Association of Drilling Contractors, 3 of our team members are part of the steering committee for the international standards document that's going to come out of IADC later this year at the World Drilling Conference. So we're trying to define geothermal wells and geothermal drilling procedures in an internationally standard way.
Crazy busy.
Crazy busy, absolutely.
So I think I got into geothermal about 4 years ago, and there was through the COVID years there was a relatively slow start, but the excitement, the project starts, the business growth in the last 18 months has just been absolutely phenomenal. So I see the next 5 years being pivotal. I think the geothermal folks will be really accelerating their business, and then we will also see a large amount of pivoting going on from people in oil and gas companies, oil and gas drillers, really getting into geothermal and accelerating the business.
Absolutely. I think the best analogy that I've heard for where we are in geothermal right now was last week at the IADC steering group. And one of the guys said, it's like being on holiday, standing on the beach. You're looking out to sea and you suddenly realize that the tide has gone out too far. There is a tsunami coming. And actually, if everybody climbs on board, we can ride this wave a very, very long way. In 5 years, I would hope that the most well drilling done in the world will not be oil and gas, it will be geothermal. Geothermal is going to take the first place in the drilling league. We're going to have fit for purpose equipment, we're going to have competent crews and teams, and we are going to start to show oil and gas industry what performance really looks like. And I think based on what we've done even in the last 2 years, that's a very realistic possibility.